Installing your DJI Phantom onto your new WaterStrider is quick and easy. First, make sure that the camera is pointing the same direction as the wide pods. Next, place the landing gear on the mount fittings. For the Phantom 3, make sure the foam pads rest in the wide channels. For the Phantom 4, make sure the long foam pad is centered in the skinny channel. Then, wrap all 4 hook and loop fasteners around the landing gear. For the Phantom 3, hold down the center of the landing gear when putting on the hook and loop fastener for a tighter fit. Finally, before flying, make sure that your WaterStrider is firmly attached. Have fun, be safe flying, and let us know where you choose to drone anywhere.